I typically give things a 6-month run rate. When I look at my lead sources and I look at what I'm spending, I typically give things a 6-month run rate. If I feel like I'm not getting the at-bats with viable candidates and I don't have enough deals that could be going pending after 6 months, I'm making a change. And I think it's important that as you give things the 6 months, you're focused on what is the reason it didn't work. Sometimes it's follow-up, sometimes we're not taking the calls, sometimes we're not focused, sometimes we've been away. But if you don't give something 6 months and actually pay attention to it and follow it to a T, how can you know? Let's say Real Geeks doesn't work for me, but it works for you. Great, you stick with Real Geeks, I'm gonna move to Zillow. Now Zillow starts to work for me, I'm gonna ride Zillow, I'll give it 6 months. If Zillow's working really well and my ROI is 3x, I'm gonna put more money in Zillow. Until I get to the point where there's a cost of diminishing return, when that return starts to go from 3x to 2.5 to 2.2 to 2.1. Once you hit a certain amount, you've kind of capped out and you start to see diminishing returns. And that's what you need to find out for you guys.